We all wonder, what's value? It's location. It can't be manipulated. And that's why we always hear the phrase, location, location, location. And that couldn't be more true than right here at the Del Monte, at the corner of 75th Street and Columbus Avenue, in the absolute heart of the Upper West Side, the heart of the West 70s. And here, you find this extraordinary 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath apartment, which exemplifies what it really means to live on the Upper West Side. In a pre-war building, along a quiet tree-lined street with beautiful architectural details and high ceilings. This home feels enormous and yet cozy all at the same time. The enormous part comes in this open living room, dining room, and kitchen, which stretch approximately 44 feet from the north to the south. Off of the living room, you get the cozy, this gorgeous library, or your 3rd bedroom. And then separately, in the spacious east wing of the apartment, is where you find 2 full bedrooms, a full bathroom, and a home office. And all of this is in close proximity to everything. Central Park, Lincoln Center, the Natural History Museum, Columbus Circle, the Beacon Theater, and your shopping includes Fairway, Citarella, Zabar's, Trader Joe's, and innumerable restaurants, 2 different subway lines going in 2 different directions into the city. Did I mention Central Park? I want to share this to you. But in the meantime, I invite you to watch this video again. And, well, welcome home.